Good morning, one and all. Myself G. Navanita, DL in Physics, TTRRDC, Women, Nizamabad. So, I will today I will explain the topic electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, electric field and magnetic field related by the electromagnetic field. So, electric field and magnetic field both are oscillating to produce to the electromagnetic waves. So, electromagnetic waves nowadays is useful of the phones, cell phones and camera, mobile and remote controller, etc. And nowadays is hospital useful of the electromagnetic waves, hospitals, industrials, aircrafts and satellites and etc. So I will, what is wave? First of all, what is wave? Wave, a vibration or disturbance in space. So what is a wave? Wave transfer energy without transferring matter. What material do waves move through? Medium, the substances that waves travel through and need to have order to move. How are waves classified? Waves are classified by what they move through or by how particles move through them. So waves are two types, longitudinal waves and second one is transverse waves. And longitudinal waves are examples sound waves and transverse waves are examples electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are seven types. Electromagnetic waves are seven types. First of all, one of the radio waves and second one is microwaves and third one is infrared and fourth one is visible light and fifth one is ultraviolet and sixth one is X-rays and seventh one is gamma rays. And classification of waves according to what they move through medium. So electromagnetic waves and second one is mechanical waves. What is mechanical waves? Needs a medium. So require the particles of the medium to vibrate in order to for energy to be transferred. So electromagnetic definitions. Electromagnetic waves are waves which can travel through the vacuum of outer space. So next one, electromagnetic waves are formed when an electric field couples with a magnetic field. So the magnetic and electric fields of an electromagnetic waves are perpendicular to each other and the direction of the waves of the flame. How do moving charges create magnetic field? Any moving electric charge is surrounded by an electric field and a magnetic field. The electric and magnetic field vibrate at right angles to the direction the wave travel. So it is a transverse waves. So it is transverse waves. Lambda value. Lambda is crest to distance between the crest to crest. So this is violet color is magnetic field and yellow color is electric field. Properties of electromagnetic waves. First of all, first one is all our electromagnetic waves are transverse. So second one is they do not require any medium to travel through. So third one is they travel at speed of 3 multiple 10 to 8 in vacuum. And fourth one is they can all be reflected and refracted. And fifth one is they can all be emitted and absorbed by matter. What is the speed of electromagnetic waves? All electromagnetic waves travel 300,000 km per second in space and speed of light nature's limits. So next one is electromagnetic waves usually travel slowest in solids and fastest in gases. Production of electromagnetic waves. When an electric charge vibrates, the electric field around it changes, creating a changing magnetic field. Graphically representation. So electromagnetic waves and x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. In this x-axis of the direction and y-axis is the electric field and z-axis is the magnetic field. This is graphically representation of the electromagnetic field. So electromagnetic spectrum includes the following types of waves. These are 7 types. So these are 7 types are working and using of the electromagnetic field. In this explain the topic electromagnetic spectrum. So these first of all radio waves, and second one is microwaves, and third one is infrared waves. Here fourth one is visible light, and fifth one is ultraviolet, and sixth one is X-rays, and seventh one is gamma rays. This clear? First radio waves. These radio waves are the electromagnetic waves with the longest wavelength and lowest frequency. Like all electromagnetic waves, radio waves can travel through a vacuum. So however, most of the radio waves we receive have traveled through air. Take the radio as an example. The radio converts the electromagnetic waves into the sound that comes out of the radio speakers. Uses of radio waves. Radio and television communications to transmit sound and pictures, information over a long distance. So second point is radar and satellite communications, and third one is navigation or ships and aircrafts. And radio waves have the longest wavelength of the all electromagnetic waves and low frequency. So radio waves are often used to transmit data and have been used for all sort of the applications including radio, satellites, radar and computer network. And second one is microwaves. One of their most common uses in microwave ovens. So when you switch on a microwave oven, it gives off electromagnetic waves that bounce around inside the oven. So penetrating the food, water molecules in the food absorb the energy from the microwaves, causing the food to get hot. So other uses of the microwaves. First one is radar communication, as it is not easily blocked off by buildings, trees. And second one is analysis of fine details of molecular and atomic structure. And third one is useful demonstration of all wave properties of microscopic scale. And fourth one is telephone communication, mobile phone and etc. etc. So hyperthermia. Microwaves are used in medicine. So hypothermia therapy is a type of medical treatment, and microwave ablation used in treatment of liver tumor, and microwave dithermy used in pain management, and transdermal microwave is thermotherapy used in treatment of lower urinary tract syndrome. And the next one is third type of infrared waves. Heat can be transferred through the infrared radiation, and we often think of infrared as being the same thing as heat. So because it makes our skin feel warm. So most of you might have seen infrared waves in use during the SARS period. So picture on the top right hand corner. So it shows the thermodetector which is placed outside hospitals, airport to identify the warm and cool parts of a person by analyzing infrared radiation. So emitted from the person's body. So and through this we can see if someone is having a fever. So infrared is useful for navigation through fog and edge, as it is less easily scattered compared to visible light. So next one, medical treatment to warm injured muscles and injuries. Sports injuries. So electromagnetic waves is useful of the infrared lamps, and next one, electromagnetic waves are useful of digital infrared camera. So infrared imaging in medicine. So oncology, vascular disorder, and respiratory disorders, skeletal and neuromuscular disease, and next one surgery, next one tissue viability, and next one, fourth one is visible light. Visible light, it is the part of the electromagnetic wave spectrum which can be detected by the human eye. So the visible light has its own spectrum which consists of the 7 colors of the light. VIBs are so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So an example of visible light is the colorful laser light or the light from a firework. So some of the uses of light is in optical fiber, in medicine and telecommunication. And this is the range of wavelength from 390 to 700 nanometers, which corresponds to the frequencies 430 to 790 terahertz. So next one, the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that human eyes can detect. You see the different wavelength as colors. Blue as shortest and red is longest, and light look white if all colors are present. Next one, ultraviolet. The main source of ultraviolet radiation is sunlight, and it is this radiation which gives rise to suntan and also sunburn. Ultraviolet radiation is used in hospitals to sterilize the surgical instruments and operating theaters, as it kills bacteria and virus. UV can be detected by photographic plates A, and B a photoelectric cell, and C is fluorescence. So ultraviolet waves have the next shortest wavelength after visible light. So electromagnetic waves with wavelength from about 400 billions to 10 billions of meter, used in turning beds and sterilizing equipments. Ultraviolet light is used in treatment of psoriasis and vitiligo, and pregnancy abnormalities in the heart and blood vessels, organs in the pelvis and abdomen. So symptoms of pain, swelling and infection. And next one is gamma rays. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelength and highest frequency in the electromagnetic spectrum. It is generated by changes in energy levels in the nucleus. So some radioactive substances and certain nuclear reactions produce gamma rays. Because of their great penetrating ability, gamma rays can cause serious illness. However, when used in controlled condition, gamma rays is useful in cancer treatment. Electrospectrum. Frequencies is called the electromagnetic spectrum. Different parts interact with matter in different way. So as wavelength is decreases, frequencies increases. Opposite directions of frequency and wavelength. So the ones human can see are called visible light. So a small part of the whole spectrum. Chart of the wavelength and frequency. So frequency and wavelength are totally opposite directions. So long wavelength is electromagnetic waves of the long wavelength is low frequency, and electromagnetic waves and short wavelength is high frequency, shown in figure. So next one, radio waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelengths of the all electromagnetic waves, low frequency. Radio waves are often used to transmit data and have been used for all sort of applications, including radio and satellites and radar and computer network. Radio waves are used in medicine. It is used to produce images of soft tissues, fluid, fat and bones. For example, MRI scanning, RFA scanning. So next one, diagnose many problems. Diagnose many problems. For example, help identify tumors. Next one, radio frequency ablations, RFA. Use it to destroy cancer cells. And microwaves. Microwaves are radio waves with wavelengths less than 30 centimeters and higher frequency and shorter wavelength. And cell phones and satellites use microwaves between 1 centimeter and 20 centimeters for communications. Gamma rays. Gamma rays highest energy electromagnetic waves. They actually come from radioactive element for stars and inspection tools in industry. X-ray. Next one, X-ray. High wave energy used in medicine, industry and transportation. Too much exposure can damage the living tissue or even cause cancer. So X-ray use in medicine. X-rays play an important role in dentistry and orthopedic and investigation. And next one, they can penetrate soft tissue like skin and muscles. And next one, are used to take X-ray pictures of bones in medicine. Type ups is over. And next one, these are waves are types of different wavelength and different frequency and different energies. So first of all, radio waves of the frequency less than 10 to the power of 9 and radio waves of the wavelength greater than 0.3. And next, radio waves of the energy less than 7 into 10 to the power of minus 7. And next one, microwaves. Microwaves is the frequency of 10 to the power of 9 to 3 into 10 to the power of 11. And microwaves of the wavelength 0.001 to 0.3. And next one, microwaves of the energy 7 into 10 to the power of the minus 7 to 2 into 10 to the power of the minus 4. And infrared of the frequency 3 into 10 to the power of 11 to 3.9 into 10 to the power of the 14. And infrared of the wavelength 7.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 to 0.001. And infrared of the energy 2 into 10 to the power of the 4 to 0.3. And next one, visible light. Visible light of the frequency 3.9 into 10 to the power of the 14 to 7.9 into 10 to the power of the 14. Visible light of the wavelength 3.8 into 10 to the power of the minus 7 to 7.6 into 10 to the power of the minus 7. And visible light of the energy 0.3 into to 0.5. And ultraviolet of the frequency 7.9 into 10 to the power of the 14 to 3.4 into 10 to the power of the 16. Ultraviolet of the wavelength 8 into 10 to the power of the minus 9 to 3.8 into 10 to the power of the minus 7. And next one, ultraviolet of the energy 0.5 to 20. And next, X-rays. X-rays of the frequency 3.4 into 10 to the power of the 16 to 5 into 10 to the power of the 19 Hz. So X-rays of the wavelength 6 into 10 to the power of the minus 12 to 8 into 10 to the power of the minus 9. So X-rays of the energy 20 to 3 into 10 to the power of the 4. And next, gamma rays. Gamma rays of the frequency greater than 5 into 10 to the power of the 90. And gamma rays of the wavelength less than 6 into 10 to the power of the minus 12. And gamma rays of the energy greater than 3 into 10 to the power of the 4. It is clear frequency, different frequency and different wavelength and different energy of the waves. So precautions of the electromagnetic waves. So first one, strong infrared radiation in certain industry eye heat setting may be hazard to the eyes, resulting in damage or blindness to the user. So second one, since the radiation is invisible, special IR proof goggles must be worn in such places.